Good morning, Cody.
Good morning, Ivy. You look happy today.
Yes, I slept well last night. I feel fresh.
That's nice. I didn't sleep well.
Oh no. Why not?
My neighbor played loud music again.
That's annoying. Did you tell him to stop?
Not yet. I don't want to make trouble.
Are you just starting to learn English? Don't worry. Join English Echo and practice every day with easy and fun lessons. Each video helps you speak more confidently and enjoy learning English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe to English Echo.
And comment your name to practice together. You're too kind. You need some quiet time.
Yes, I think I'll buy earplugs.
Good idea.
So, what's your plan for today?
I have work in the morning, then I'll go to the supermarket.
What do you need to buy?
Just some fruits, milk, and rice. What about you?
I have an English class online this afternoon.
Cool. What topic today?
Talking about your daily routine.
Oh, that's easy for you. You do that every day.
Haha, maybe. But I still make mistakes.
Everyone does. That's how we learn.
Speaking of daily routines, what time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30 a.m. And you?
Around 7 a.m. I like to sleep a bit more.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I check my phone.
Oh no, Cody, that's not good.
Why not?
It's better to stretch or drink water first.
Maybe you're right. What do you do first?
I drink a glass of water and do some light exercise.
Wow, you're healthy.
I try to be.
After that, do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you usually eat?
Bread, eggs, and sometimes fruit.
That sounds nice. I usually skip breakfast.
You shouldn't skip it. Breakfast is important.
I know, but I'm always late.
Then wake up earlier.
Haha, easier said than done.
What time do you start work?
Around 9 a.m.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I do. It's comfortable, but sometimes boring.
I understand. I work in an office. It's busy, but fun.
That's nice. Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, they are kind and helpful.
That's lucky. Some people have rude coworkers.
True, but I'm happy with mine.
What do you do during lunch break?
I usually eat with my friends at a small restaurant near the office.
What kind of food?
Rice, soup, and vegetables. Sometimes noodles.
Sounds delicious. I just make sandwiches at home.
That's simple and easy.
Yes, and cheap too.
Do you take a nap after lunch?
No, but I want to.
You should try. A short nap helps.
Maybe 10 minutes nap sounds good.
After work, what do you usually do?
I go for a walk or watch TV.
What kind of shows do you watch?
Mostly English shows for listening practice.
That's great. What's your favorite?
Friends. It's funny and easy to understand.
Oh, yes, I love that show.
Do you cook dinner every night?
Not every night. Sometimes I order food.
Same here. Cooking takes time.
But home food is healthier.
True. I'll try to cook more.
What's your favorite food to cook?
Fried rice. Easy and tasty.
Yum! I love fried rice too.
What do you do after dinner?
I read or listen to music.
What kind of music?
Soft pop or jazz. It relaxes me.
Nice. I listen to podcasts before bed.
English podcasts?
Yes, they help me learn new words.
Great idea.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10:30 p.m.? And you?
Around midnight.
That's late. You need more sleep.
I know, but I always scroll my phone.
You need better habits.
You sound like my mom.
Because I care. Hi, Cody. It's Saturday. No work today.
Yay! I love weekends.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to sleep late, clean my room, and meet friends.
That sounds nice. Do you go out often?
Sometimes, if the weather is good, I go to the park.
Me too. The park is peaceful.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play badminton with my cousin.
Wow, that's fun. I play basketball sometimes.
You must be good at it.
Not really, but I enjoy it.
What else do you do on weekends?
I watch movies or cook something new.
Oh, what's your favorite movie?
I like adventure movies. What about you?
I prefer romantic comedies. They make me smile.
Haha, of course.
Do you go shopping on weekends?
Sometimes, when I need clothes or food.
I love shopping for small things. Books, candles, and snacks.
That sounds cute.
Yeah, little things make me happy.
Do you study English on weekends too?
Yes, at least 1 hour a day.
That's great. How do you study?
I watch short videos and repeat sentences out loud.
Like shadowing?
Yes, it helps with pronunciation.
I should try that.
You'll love it.
Do you ever feel lazy to study?
Of course. Sometimes I just want to relax.
Same here. I think balance is important.
Yes, we can't study all the time.
What do you do to relax?
I take a walk, drink tea, or listen to calm music.
That's nice. I play games with my friends online.
Fun. What kind of games?
Simple puzzle games or soccer games.
Sounds like a good break. Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every 2 weeks. My mom always cooks a big meal.
That's sweet. I visit my parents every Sunday.
What do you do together?
We talk, cook, and sometimes watch movies.
Family time is special.
Yes, I love it.
What do you usually eat on weekends?
I like pancakes or noodles.
Pancakes. My favorite too. With honey or chocolate.
Both.
You have a sweet tooth.
Ha, yes, a little.
Do you go anywhere special sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I take a short trip to the beach.
That sounds amazing. How far is it?
About 2 hours from my city.
What do you do there?
Walk on the sand, take photos, and watch the sunset.
I love sunsets.
Me too. They make me feel calm.
What's your plan for today?
After this walk, I'll go to the market with my mom.
Nice. I'll clean my room and then maybe watch a movie.
Good plan. Let's watch the same movie tonight.
Great idea. Then we can talk about it tomorrow.
Deal.
Ivy, do you like your life now?
Yes, I do. It's simple but peaceful.
Same here. I'm happy learning and growing every day.
That's beautiful, Cody. Let's keep learning English together.
Yes. Step by step. Every day.
Practice makes perfect.
Or at least better and better.
True.
See you. Have a nice day.
See you tomorrow.
You too. Bye.
What did you learn from today's conversation with Ivy and Cody?
Share one thing you've learned and will practice in your daily life below this video.
If you like this video,
Please leave your comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.